Welcome to our deep dive into KITT Nauticus Robotics. This innovative company is making waves in the field of marine technology. They focus on developing autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, which are designed to perform underwater tasks without human intervention. Their products are used across various industries, including oil and gas, environmental monitoring, and maritime security. Their mission: to revolutionize underwater exploration and operations. Kite Nauticus Robotics offers a range of advanced features. Their AUVs are equipped with high-resolution sonar and optical sensors, providing detailed underwater images. The AUVs are also capable of deep-sea dives, reaching depths of up to 6,000 meters. They are designed for long-endurance missions and can operate autonomously for several days. Plus, they have intelligent onboard systems for obstacle avoidance and mission planning. Truly, these are not your average underwater vehicles. The cost of KITT Nauticus Robotics AUVs varies based on the model and its capabilities. The pricing is typically bespoke, reflecting the customization offered to meet specific customer needs. While the initial investment may be high, the potential for cost savings in the long term is significant. These AUVs can perform tasks that would otherwise require expensive manned operations and can do so faster and safer. For more detailed pricing information, it's best to directly contact KITT Nauticus Robotics. KITT Nauticus Robotics AUVs are perfect for a variety of applications. In the oil and gas industry, they can inspect pipelines and offshore structures. For environmental monitoring, they can collect data on marine life, water quality, and more. In maritime security, they can assist with surveillance and mine detection. They're also ideal for academic research, aiding in the exploration and understanding of our oceans. The possibilities are vast and growing every day. There are many advantages to using Kite Nauticus Robotics AUVs. They increase operational efficiency by performing tasks faster and more accurately than humans. They also reduce risk by eliminating the need for divers in dangerous underwater environments. Plus, they're sustainable, leaving minimal impact on the marine ecosystem. And let's not forget the cost savings over time, thanks to reduced manpower and operational costs. Despite the many benefits, there are some limitations to consider. The initial cost of these AUVs can be quite high, making them a significant investment. They also require skilled operators for mission planning and data interpretation. Furthermore, while they can operate in deep waters, their performance can be affected by extreme conditions. Lastly, regulatory issues around autonomous vehicles can also pose a challenge. In summary, KITT Nauticus Robotics AUVia offer a powerful tool for underwater operations. They provide detailed imaging, efficient operations, and safety benefits. While they require a significant upfront investment and skilled operators, the potential long-term benefits can outweigh these downsides. As with any technology, it's important to consider both the advantages and limitations before making a decision. Thank you for joining us today as we explored KITT Nauticus Robotics. We hope this overview has given you deeper insight into their innovative marine technology. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content.